How to share Prime Video movies with friends. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. In order to share a video from your Prime, you can just tap open your Prime Video application if you have installed in your device or just visit the website of Prime Video. Either way, make sure that you are signed in. Now, if you find any of the movies or series fascinating enough to share with the friends, first step is to actually click on the series or the movie. Right over here, you need to tap on the three dot icon or the more icon. At the bottom, you should find the option of share. Click on it. If you are using a mobile device and your Prime Video application, you will see a three dot icon at the bottom next to the movie. From here, just click on the share button. You can share with the user through a link or just by a single tap. And that is how you'll be able to share a movie in your Amazon Prime videos. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.